Hello everyone. This is my presentation for the different kinds of sentences. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a combination of words put together to express a complete idea or thought. It must be complete and convey meaning. With a sentence, you can ask a question, give an argument, make an order, and so much more. When writing a sentence, you should follow a specific word order. What is a sentence structure? There are 4 types of sentence structure: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Sentence structure is like building a plan. When looking at the sentence's structure, you're looking at the combination of independent clauses and dependent clauses that a sentence has. Because of this, it's important to know what a clause is. A clause is a group of words with both a subject and a verb. There are 2 kinds of clauses, which are independent and dependent. An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone. An example of this is the cat jumped. Contrarily, a dependent clause cannot stand alone. This can be a sentence like, because it is curious. Simple sentence structure. A simple sentence structure has only one independent clause, a subject and a verb that express a complete thought. It does not have a dependent clause. However, it can contain compound subjects or verbs or modifiers. This structure is the fundamental building block of sentences. Examples of this structure are sentences like, he walked. With modifiers, it can be a sentence like, the cat purred quietly. For a sentence using a compound subject are, Haley and Mylene danced. A compound verb is, Dwight read and painted. Compound sentence structure. A compound sentence structure connects multiple independent clauses using a comma and a coordinating conjunction, which are the fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, and a semicolon. Sometimes it uses a colon or dash to join related ideas into a longer sentence. This sentence structure has 2 functions, which are combining closely related ideas into one sentence and showing the relationship between 2 actions or ideas. Examples of this structure are, Jamie enjoys pears, but his friend enjoys apples. Tadia wanted a book. Her sister wanted a movie. Albert wanted to go to the park, so he changed his clothes. Complex sentence structure. This sentence structure connects one independent clause with at least one dependent clause using subordinating conjunctions like because, although, or when. A complex sentence structure can show relationship like cause and effect or contrast and add detail. It can also make sentences sound more sophisticated by placing the dependent clause before, within, or after the main clause, often with a comma if it begins the sentence. This sentence structure can be seen through these sentences. Because of a storm, the party was cancelled. The party was cancelled because of a storm. Melissa, even if the water was cold, wanted to swim in the pool. Compound complex sentence. In the structure, there are at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Usually, all the clauses are joined by a conjunction, semicolon, or comma. The clauses can be arranged in any order as shown in these examples. Because the cat is curious, it wants to go inside my room, but I won't let him enter the room. It was cold outside because it is winter. So, Eloisa played with falling snow. The party will surely be cancelled. Many people won't come because of a rainstorm. This is my presentation for sentence structures. Thank you for listening to it.